Hey guys, I got a couple new fan spaces. So this is literally just a garage. Basically someone had a garage on their property that they didn't need and they're renting it to me. And it's near the organ shop. So I wanted to get all the fans out of the organ shop and all the fans out of my parents' basement and all the fans out of my garage, or at least most of them out of my garage. Anything that I have already videoed out of my garage. And the storage is getting full and needs to be organized better. So I figured the only way to do that was to get more space. So this is the first of the two spaces that you'll see. This is all the fan stuff that was at the organ shop except for industrials. I haven't moved industrials over here yet. There's a couple other things that haven't moved, mostly like heavy cast stuff like originals. Those two Moss heater fans are still over there. And I'm keeping the antiques at the organ shop. So this will obviously be a lot fuller, and I'll probably hang some fans and lights and stuff in here. But in the meantime, the way that I have it organized, that's stuff that I'm getting rid of. So either it's going to be sold, given to Habitat, or scrapped. Stuff on the shelves I'm keeping. The blades in the center are the blades to the stuff that's going bye-bye. So let's just take a quick look. Let's start here. All this stuff is either being sold, given to Habitat, or scrapped. And we'll go through it. It's Columbia motor only. Zephyr motor only. Homestar Geneva has the blades. Offset Banana Fan has the blades. Beverly Hills Thing has the blades. Marble American Spirit has the blades. Panama motor only. Moss Hugger with a cool sideband, complete. Zephyr motor only. Brone Thing, complete. Or I don't know if it has a mounting bracket, but otherwise complete. Victorian motor only. Legend, complete-ish. You know, again, I don't know about mounting brackets and stuff. These weird spinners that Metal Pete picked up, complete-ish. Lasco with stencil blades, complete-ish. Universal, 38-inch, complete-ish. Delta, I think it's motor only. I haven't found the blades. Victorian motor only. Another Geneva Homestar, I believe it has the blades. Banville Emperor, like the one at Habitat, complete-ish. Interesting, this premium I thought was complete, but the blades haven't turned up yet, and I'm looking at the blade pile. I'm not seeing them, so that might be motor only. New Tone, complete-ish. Weird shaped hugger, squarish hugger, complete-ish. Evergo, ornate, complete-ish. 1895 AB, complete-ish. SMC, Emperor, complete-ish. Moss heirloom motor only. So you can, if you come and pick this stuff up, you can have it for what I paid for it. If you want it shipped, make an offer plus $25 for packing plus shipping. Because I don't have a lot of packing materials, so I'm going to have to pay FedEx to pack it. I've got rid of all my packing materials. So there's the blades to that. Blades to my stuff. I started moving some of the industrial blades over. Lasco. I thought that was complete, but I don't think the blades have turned up. New Tone that was in Andy's house. New Tone that turned up at Habitat today. New Tone that was in Andy's house. One of those cool hunter things, just the motor. SMC needs work. World's Fair needs work. A couple of blender fans. I think they're just the motors. Great Room, I think it's just the motor. K63 Zephyr, I think it's just the motor. Needs work. Calcutta needs work. Those are complete. One of them needs a flywheel. I think the flywheel is good, but it's only got 4 blades. Emerson's complete-ish. That I thought was complete-ish. Switch cap hasn't turned up. Not sure about the rest of that stuff. That's obviously a project. So, just again, this was at the shop. And I'm going to move the rest of everything over on Thursday. But most of it's already over here. Looks a lot smaller when you put it here. I'm going to get at least 2 more of these shelves and go the rest of the way along this wall. I'll probably go along this wall too at some point. I could do aisles like Louis Weedman. I haven't decided yet. It depends how long I'm going to keep this space. This is kind of a temporary space. So I want to hang a fan and maybe 2 fluorescent lights. So I'm open to suggestions. My first thought was that a 4-blade blender fan was perfect. But I already have that upstairs at the shop. My second thought was like maybe a Laguna, like a 52-inch, you know, variable speed one. Another thought was an original brown, like an adapter. And then my favorite idea so far is a round nose. So, but I'm open to ideas. Obviously, getting this stuff moved is a bigger priority than hanging fans, but I would like to hang at least one in here. Like I said, I'm thinking 1 fan and 2 lights, but could probably fit a couple small fans. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, well, that's it for tonight. Thanks for watching.